second part of a video I did on removing a dent using a pogo stick, such as this. This is a mini one, and you would hook this onto something and then use this as a lever. So this is a mini pogo stick, and they have a larger one. But anyway, now I'm just going to throw some primer on, probably 3 coats of lacquer primer, then we'll block it and paint it. Okay, that's the first coat. So this will be the third coat. Then we'll let that dry, block it, and paint it so you can see what it looks like. So I black sanded this with 80 grit, then I reprimed it, and I came back and DA sanded it with 220, and we're ready to paint. So I'm just going to blow this off. I like to use my bare hand and make sure I don't feel any dust on here. And then we'll hit it real quick with a tack cloth. Just get the last remnants of dust off of there. And that's good there. And let's shoot a couple coats of paint on there and see what we have. Okay, that's good for the first coat. We'll let that dry, and then we'll go for coat number 2. So this will be coat number 2. So that's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this series of videos on dent removal using a pogo stick, and I hope it helped you out in some way. And don't forget, subscribe if you'd like to see some of my latest videos.